Hello, this is a tutorial for the glass can rotating mockup with the changeable background. You will receive a Canva template PDF. Once you open the file, you'll see two template links. One is for the straight straw option and the other with the bent straw option. Once you open the template in Canva, you can click on position at the top bar to see all the layers. You can drag and drop your background into the template, first into the background frame element, and then a second time to send to the back as the background that shows through the glass. Then you can drag and drop in your design for the glass, also twice, the first as the front of the glass and the second as the design showing through from the back of the glass, since it's a clear glass. Drag the two glass design layers to behind the first background layer, which is the masking layer as shown here. You can click on the play button at the top right corner to preview your rotating mockup. Included in this mockup is an iced coffee option, and you can turn this on by setting the transparency of the layer above the glass to 100% as shown here. But make sure if you do this coffee option to turn off the second design layer, since you won't be able to see the back of the glass with the coffee. You can play around with the filters on this included two-tone background to choose colors that suit your brand. Make sure that you apply the same filter to both of the background layers by right-clicking to copy attributes and then click on the layer you want to copy the attributes to. There are also a few free backgrounds included when you purchase this mockup. Let's do a run-through with a few of them to show some tips and tricks when working with this template. You can place in your background layer twice like before. You can also reposition your background by double-clicking into the first background layer to scale and position it how you like. Be sure to scale and position the second background layer to match so that it looks continuous through the glass. Another tip is that you can play around with the colors of any layer by clicking Edit Image at the top bar. This will allow you to match the tone of the different layers to achieve a more cohesive look. For example, here we are turning up the warmth of the glass shadow layer and making some adjustments to the background layers to get a better blended look. You can also play with the image adjustments to achieve the look that you like best. Once you are happy with how everything looks, you can export the file by clicking on Share, then download as an MP4 file. Hope this was helpful. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions.